Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. This is the price prediction video of the Gala token. Okay, so I'm gonna do the live analysis for you. Before that, let me tell you 47% volume has increased over the last 24 hours. $1.6 billion is the trading volume, so it's a good sign, and it is among the top after the Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of volume. So a lot of things are going on for the Gala coin, Gala token. So let's start the video without wasting any time. This was if we can take a look at this EMA, it's a 21 EMA, and before that I'm going to show you this is a daily chart. You can see a lot of accumulation happened at this phase. You can see accumulation, price tried to break this range multiple times. Even we tested this level. Why this area was tested? Because it was a breakout candle, and it has to get, it had to get tested, and we saw a good rejection and a test right at this spot. Just take a look at this. This is called the sniper entry. So those who have bought at this given points 0.37010 back on when we saw a dump, he could have been in the huge profit right now. So let me delete this one. Okay, and let me show you, this was the phase of this was a parabolic phase. This was a parabolic move. You can see here, parabolic move. After that we saw a slow distribution, and now we are again maybe in this trend. Maybe we again, if we again test this level 0.480016, we're gonna break this level. But due to the Gala token entering into the metaverse and all that stuff, it's a good sign for the Gala token. So let me turn on let me delete this one, and let me turn on the 4-hour chart right now and just try to focus on the areas here. Let me show you, this is the swing high. I'm gonna draw the level in here as well, making it bold, and that would give us the clear cut area 0.45182. If we talk about the recent price action, this is a 4-hour chart. So recent price action is telling us that, let me draw another level. I'm doing this live, and you can see here currently it is testing this level of resistance. So 0.58086 is the current resistance. Why it is a resistance? Previously it has been tested as a resistance 2 times, and now it has been broken, but again it came down for a pullback. Maybe this is a pullback. Why it came down to this level? Let me show you why here. That is the reason, and that is the reason as well. So if I draw this is an area. If I draw it as a whole, let me show you, let me draw this as a rectangle. This would give us the proper area of demand. Now this is a demand zone. Okay, let me delete this one. Now this is a demand zone. You can see clearly it acted as a support here. This was a breakout candle. Okay, it was a breakout candle. After breakout we saw a rejection from this as a resistance level, and after that you can see a dump or a retest or pullback towards the previous swing lows here at this area. After that we saw again a retest at this level, at this supply zone. This became the resistance. Again got another rejection, the price came down making higher high, then price started to make the lower high. Okay, lower swing high. If you can see, maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong, at this area it started to make the higher lows. So you can see a pattern is forming: lower low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, lower high, and this was an area. You can see a pattern inside a pattern here. Okay, if we continue following this pattern, we saw a breakout from this area. Maybe at this we saw a breakout here. Okay, at this area got rejected as a resistance again, and a pullback here making a perfect higher low, and then from this area it was a breakout. So eventually the breakout had to come. Now let me draw the lines just to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the area. Okay, this is the first point, and this is the second point I'm talking about. Keeping these things in mind, I'm taking this into account as well. Okay, lower low, higher low, higher low, higher high, lower high, lower high, and this was a breakout phase. Okay, It breakout, came up, tested this level, came down to retest this trend line. If we make this trend line a bit wider here, maybe this area, okay, here it was the point of convergence. Here we saw a pullback, and then a new support was formed here and a breakout, and this was the breakout phase here. And now if we continue this trend, this might be another pullback. So it's a good sign that the Gala coin has breakout from this area. So currently we must be looking for this area to get retested, 55865. So this is currently acting as a support, 0.58086, 55865. It is acting as a support level, or you can say demand zone as well. It is acting as a support level right now. But if we break below, okay, if we anything closing below this level, then we might be going down again for this level, and that must be around let me draw the levels here. There are multiple levels, so I would go for this one. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, if anything closing below 0.55865, then we might be testing 0.4816. But if didn't, okay, if we close above or in between this area, then the next target, that next target would be somewhere. It has already been tested, so the next wave, it has to be the previous swing high here. This would be our next target, okay, and we might be targeting after pullback this area, 0.69527. if we close above. If we close below, then this would be the target area. So these are the this is the price prediction of the Gala games, Gala token, Gala coin, whatever you name it. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.